Hello everyone, this is my fourth of 5 new technologies. This new technology is called ClickUp. It is a free task management, team management site. I'm focusing this more for our professional staff who supervise our RA staff and desk assistant staff, being able to assign them these different assignments that they have to do throughout the semester to help with reminders. And so we'll just kind of walk through this real quick. So this is your home, where it shows you just different things that you have available. I've only made one space, and so there's not a lot in here. But then if you go to your list of assignments, I made Custer Hall, which is one of our halls. So we have 4 or 5 RAs in there, and the hall director could create this Custer Hall, create these tasks. So the Tiger Walkover event at the beginning of the year, and they can assign it to specific people. I made up another profile to see how I could assign it to people. So she would assign it to all of her staff. She could set priority to make it urgent or low priority. She could provide details about the task, and then she could also attach any attachments like the, well, I'll show you the next event here real quick. Our next assignment is an evaluation for the Tiger Walkover event. She could attach either the link to Tiger link to upload that, or she could attach like the physical document to do the event evaluation as well. And then the student can just go in there, finish the assignment, and mark complete. There's also one thing I really liked is there's a bunch of different ways that you can view your tasks. You can view it in a list like that, or through a board like the completed. You can see what you have completed versus what you have left to do. You can view it in a calendar setting, so these weren't due until August. And it actually removed the one that we said we completed already, so that goes off of the calendar. There's this type of setup, a timeline setup, and then you also have like an activity board that details all the things that I've done in this space. One other thing that I thought was really interesting was you can delete a space that you've created, but they want to really make sure that you actually want to delete it, so you actually have to type delete before it will remove the space. So that is ClickUp. It's a task management, team management app, again for our hall directors supervising RAs.